Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you the techniques with which we can actually read encrypted properties in a Spring Boot application. Now I also have another video on where I shared how we can easily read properties in Spring Boot application, and that video is over there. So that is about plain properties, but of course we also need secrets like maybe database passwords, queue passwords, topics passwords, and many kind of passwords. So the secrets need to be dealt specially because we do not want the secrets to be exposed directly. So there are some techniques which are available for managing the secrets and for Spring Boot to be able to read the secrets from those places. And there are different techniques, like there is a Jasypt plugin which is available. Then there is a Kubernetes secret if you are deploying using Kubernetes. Then there is a concept of Ansible Vault. If you are using Ansible, then this may be a way. Then there are many other external vaults where you can also keep your secrets. Then there are cloud specific secrets like AWS or Azure secrets. And also there is a solution known as CredHub, and that is from Pivotal, which comes very much coupled with the Spring Boot config server, but that's also a proprietary solution. But that also helps in managing secrets. So these are the various solutions which we can use to manage secrets in a Spring Boot application. But in this video, I'm going to share with you the easiest option, which is the Jasypt plugin, and I'm going to tell you why that is the easiest option. And if you do not want to invest in any other sophisticated technique, then even with Jasypt plugin, you can very easily and also securely deploy your secrets and fetch them from within a Spring Boot application. So let's see how we can do it. But before I proceed, let me make a quick humble request to you. If you like my video and explanation, if you think these are adding value, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also watch my other videos and share it with your friends and whoever would be benefited from it, because that would further motivate me to produce quality videos. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of Jasypt? Of course, the biggest advantage of Jasypt is no external system is required. Like, we do not need to use an external vault like an Ansible vault or any other vault. We do not need to use some external system like Kubernetes. We do not need to use the cloud specific secret. So no other external system is involved. We just need to add one Maven dependency, and that Maven dependency along with that Maven plugin will do all the magic. We do not need any external system. So Jasypt is basically a password encryption library which is used very frequently in Java, and this Jasypt plugin has actually extended that particular library. However, there is one disadvantage of using Jasypt, because it's a very lightweight solution, but the secret may be exposed during server start. And I'm going to show you how we can actually use the secret and how we can read the secret using this Jasypt plugin. Again, I have a complete demo, and you can download the source code from my repository, and you can try it yourself. You can actually tweak the source code and see how that is running. So just wait for a while till I go to the demo. And what are the steps which are required to use the Jasypt plugin? First of all, we need to encrypt the secrets, maybe database password. We need to encrypt the secret using the Jasypt plugin and using an encryptor seed. So that is an encryptor seed which we need to remember and which we also need to pass during the server start. Copy the encrypted secrets. So we generated the encrypted secret in step 1. Now copy the encrypted secrets in application YAML, and the Jasypt plugin, add the Jasypt plugin dependency and the plugin to the POM, and then start the Spring Boot server. But while you start the Spring Boot server, you need to also pass the encryptor seed, because if you pass the encryptor seed, then what Jasypt plugin does is during the start of the Spring Boot server, it reads any secrets from the application YAML or application properties file and decrypts the secret and convert it into plain text. So now let's go ahead and see the demo. So let's go again to my GitHub repo, github.com/mshomik78, and then in high-level code.java, and then clone the branch Spring Boot read encrypted properties. So if you go to the branch and if you look at the README, it has all the information, how to clone the branch, how to generate a property using how to basically encrypt a property using Jasypt plugin. So I already downloaded the branch, I already cloned the branch. I just want to show you certain things, like in the POM, the Jasypt dependency is also included, and also a Jasypt plugin is included. Now I will go back and read the steps. So basically, first what I'm going to do is encrypt the password. So I can simply run a command and encrypt the password. So first I have to set Maven and JDK, and once that is done, I can run the command. So in this command, the encrypted password or the seed password is this, Kolkata, and the password which I want to encrypt is this one, password 123. Say for example, this password 123 is a database password which I want to encrypt. So let us see what the Maven plugin does. So it will generate the encrypted version of the password if I run. So it's generating the encrypted version. Yes, and this is the encrypted password. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and go to my YAML file and place this here. So this is an encrypted password. The SpringBoot Jasypt plugin, when it will scan the application YAML file, if it sees any if it sees any property value which starts with ENC, then it knows that it's a property which is encrypted and it needs to decrypt it using the decrypted seed password. So let me now compile the application. Why I need to compile the application? Because I made some change to application.yaml, so that's why I need to package the application so that it creates the jar once again. The jar needs to have the updated YAML with this updated secret value, so that is why I am creating the jar once again. Yes, the jar creation is done, and now I will run the SpringBoot application using this command. See, one thing which you will notice in this command is I'm passing this Jasypt encrypted password, which was the seed password which was used to encrypt. So if I pass that password and the server starts, okay, so the server has started. Now if I go and show you the controller, so this is the controller, and the controller is accessing this property by the name message, and if I look at application YAML, this message property is having an encrypted value. Now when I'm going to access this endpoint, it will return that sample property, but it will return the decrypted version because that's already decrypted by the Jasypt plugin during the start of the SpringBoot server. So let me request that URL. See, it has given me the decrypted password, which is password 123. It has not given me this value. It has given me the decrypted value. So that's it. So thank you for your patient listening. I hope it was useful. You got the essence of the Jasypt plugin. It's really lightweight. It has some disadvantage, but I think you can still take it to production. But most important is, please go ahead and clone my repo and try it out yourself, see it yourself to believe, because I always try to provide a working solution so that we learn more while we are coding. And again, I would like to humbly request you, if you like my session, if you like my explanation and the working solution, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and take your time to watch my other videos and share it with your friends or whoever who you think would be benefited from this, because that's going to motivate me further to produce quality videos. Thank you very much.